The Drillbrush attachment set transforms your regular cordless drill into a powerful cleaning tool, drastically cutting down on the time and effort needed for scrubbing tasks. With medium-stiffness nylon bristles, this set ensures effective cleaning without damaging delicate surfaces, making it ideal for a variety of areas including tubs, tiles, and grout. Built to last, each brush in the set is made from durable, high-quality materials, providing long-lasting performance for numerous tough cleaning sessions. The brushes are designed for easy cleaning and storage, ensuring a hassle-free post-cleaning experience without the mess of traditional sponges. This innovative product, trusted by millions, reflects a commitment to quality and user satisfaction, showcasing the brand's dedication to effective cleaning solutions. Originating from a genuine need and refined through user feedback, the Drillbrush series continues to be a popular choice among both homeowners and professional cleaners.